In this video, I'm going to show you the best affiliate program with recurring commissions. This means simply you can be paid months from now for the week you're doing today. All right. Most side hustles or affiliate programs give you a one-time payout. Instead, this program gives you recurring commissions that hit long after the first sale is made. This takes you from a side hustle to actually building long-term income. This is where the right affiliate program changes everything. You don't just create a product, you promote it. When people stay active, you keep getting paid, and the offer does the heavy lifting. You just focus on traffic. No product creation, no inventory, no customer service. This is the best affiliate program in the world because it pays reoccurring commissions instead of one-time payouts. One-time payouts require you to bring new customers on every single month. Here's the model. You earn 50% monthly reoccurring commissions, and that means 10 active members brings you $245 a month, and 100 active members brings you close to $2,500 per month, every single month. You don't need a website, no funnels to build, no WordPress. All right. Your business runs entirely from your unique affiliate link. So when you sign up, you get your unique link that automatically tracks every sale and pays directly to you. You don't need to manage inventory or deal with shipping, no customer service, no returns, no boxes in your apartment, no tracking numbers. All right. The program is completely digital and delivery is handled for you. You never have to touch customer service or refunds, no angry emails, no handling complaints, no support. So, what do you actually do? You create short form content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You send viewers through your link, and for every member you sign up, you get recurring commissions. Most affiliate programs you join set you up to fail. They'll give you the link, but they won't give you any training on how to promote that link. When you join, I give you full training on how to promote your link. All right. That means you're promoting on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube with the viral video format that I teach you in the course. All right. So I teach you how to warm up your new accounts. That way they have viral potential. I teach you the viral video format for the top performing videos. And if you buy the course, I teach you how to automate the entire thing. The reason you have to warm up accounts is because you want to avoid zero view jail. A lot of times when you start a new account and you don't know what you're doing, the account is shadow banned. That means you're going to post videos and you're going to get zero views because the platforms are very sensitive. Get out of here. Platforms are very sensitive to bots. Okay. So you have to kind of prove that you're not a bot. And these platforms have gotten very sensitive over the years as people try to take advantage. But if you do it properly, you can have a properly warmed up viral potential account. All right. So the warm up process simply just teaches the algorithm to trust you and how to look human. I know you are a human, but you got to look human. Step 2 is the viral video framework. All right. That means instead of posting content and not really knowing what you're doing, I tell you exactly what to do to follow a proven format of the best and most viral videos on the internet. This works even if you don't want to show your face, even if you're a complete beginner. I teach you exactly what to do. All right. You're never told to spam your family or friends. All right. You don't have to pitch anyone. All you have to do is post content. You can start today with what you already have, assuming you have a phone, an internet connection, and a willingness to post for the next 30 to 90 days. Here's what you don't need. You don't need a website, no inventory, no customer service, no paid ads, and no previous experience. This affiliate program is completely built for beginners or serious hustlers. Why this beats chasing random one-off side hustles. If you've been trying to make money for a while, you've probably tried several different things, DoorDash or other affiliate programs, but never a reoccurring affiliate program. All right. So what I want you to do is think about your life a year from now. Let's say you commit to posting for the next 30 to 90 days. you could be still earning commissions a year from now. All right. This is why it's the best affiliate program in the world with reoccurring commissions. The way it works is you get 50% of a $49 a month membership and 50% of all course sales made inside the membership. Here's exactly what to do next. Help me blow up on YouTube by subscribing to the channel, hitting the thumbs up, commenting your income goals below, share this video with a friend that wants to make money, and watch this video 100 times if you appreciate this video and you want to help me blow up on YouTube. And finally, if you're ready to plug into the system and start earning recurring commissions, join the group by clicking on the link in the description below. Let's make some money.